22221111 is the toll-free number for all our ambulance services.
Manipal Hospitals launches Mars Now, the largest neonatal care on wheels service in Bengaluru, equivalent to a level 3B in ICU. The service aims to provide continuous medical support to infants in need of emergency care while en route to the hospital. This service is available to patients in Bengaluru and peripheral regions of Karnataka. Shri Dinesh Gundurao, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Karnataka, along with Tara Anuradha, Sandalwood actress and politician, launched the remarkable Mars Now service. Dr. Ed Sudarshan Ballal, Chairman Manipal Hospitals, expressed their commitment to compassionate care and their dedication to providing the best neonatal care possible. This service aims to reduce infant mortality rates. Dr. Karthik Nagesh, Chairman and HOD, Neonatology Pediatrics Manipal Hospitals, shared that Mars Now is equipped with 4 ambulances and dedicated neonatal teams. The launch of Mars Now by Manipal Hospitals is game changer in neonatal care, raising the bar for excellence and accessibility.
No, it's a great initiative by Manipal Hospital that to be able to transport babies who require neonatal care, having neonatal ICUs in the ambulance so that the baby can be saved and lives can be saved. So, first of its kind in the country, and I think this is going to add great deal to the health service that is available in Bangalore city and surrounding areas. So, I want to congratulate Manipal Group and Vijay Karnataka Group for having organized this for this program and this initiative.
ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಗಾಲಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಆನ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಇವರ ಹೊಸ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಎಳೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತುಂಬ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಎಳೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರೆತರೋದೇ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಕರವಾದದ್ದು ನಮಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ವಿಚಾರ. ಅಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕರೆತರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೇಗೆ ತೀವ್ರ ಘಟಕಗಳನ್ನಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾನಿಟ್ರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಲ್ತನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಅಂತ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಿಗಲಿ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೀನಿ.
We are very proud and happy that Manipal Hospitals launched its program called Mars Now, which is essentially neonatal ICU on wheels. We all know that neonatal care, which is care of young children or newborns, is a specialized field. And in addition to taking care of them in the hospital, what is very important is if they have to be transported from a peripheral hospital to a tertiary care hospital, that requires great care. And many children have lost their lives during the transportation because they require very specialized care which may not be available in usual ambulances. So we have introduced the concept of neonatal ICU on wheels, which means we transport the ICU to the kid rather than the kid coming to the hospital. So wherever the kid is, the neonatal ICU ambulance is transported to them with specialists and all the resuscitation equipments, including incubator, ventilator, monitoring system, so on and so forth, so that once the neonatal ambulance reaches the patient or the kid, then it's like the kid has been transferred to the ICU. The journey may be half an hour, 1 hour, 3 hours, 4 hours. You don't have to panic because the kid is under the cover of specialists and monitoring. And it's also connected to our command center at Manipal Hospitals, and the neonatologists on the scene will direct the people in the ambulance to take necessary measures to keep the kid comfortable and safe. So I think this is a very unique concept, probably for the first time in the country, and it will go a long way in saving young lives. It's a tragedy to lose a child during transportation. Right now we have plans of 4 vehicles being installed in 4 corners of Bangalore, and we will transfer the kid to the nearest hospital rather than the hospital at Old Airport Road alone, depending on the situation, depending on the kind of care needed. But our purpose is that a quick reaction time so that the ICU goes to the patient rather than the patient coming to the ICU. And I'm sure this will be a great boon for critically ill neonates so that they can be taken care of by experts at the site they are in before they are transported to safety elsewhere.
So any toll-free specific number you have for this?
Yes, 22221111.